Imagine having a source of income that continues to earn you money, even while you sleep. This is what a passive income stream can do for you. Once set up, these streams require minimal effort from you, making them a cost-effective and low-risk way to supplement your income. You can earn passive income through investments, renting out property, or by utilizing the power of the internet. Whether it's day or night, your passive income stream is working hard to bring in money for you. So why not explore the possibilities and start building your own stream of passive income today? Welcome to our guide to building not one, but several passive income streams. If you already have some money invested in these 4 ideas. 1. Rental income. Whether it's a house, apartment, piece of land, or even a spare room in your own home, renting out property can provide a steady stream of passive income. First, find a property that's perfect for renting out, set a fair price by checking out similar rentals in the area, and then act as the landlord for your tenants. If you have multiple properties, you can even hire a manager to handle the day-to-day responsibilities of being a landlord, allowing you to truly enjoy passive income. 2. Invest in a business where your presence is not required. Investing as a silent partner may be the perfect option for you. As a silent partner, you contribute capital to start a business, but leave the management and decision-making up to the active partners. In return, you receive a portion of the business's profits. However, it's important to note that silent partners are also liable for losses up to the amount of their initial investment, so make sure you have confidence in the active partners and the business before investing. 3. Royalties. Imagine being able to earn money every time someone uses or buys a product you own the rights to. That's exactly what royalties are. Payments made for the use or sale of intellectual property such as songs, books, or trademark products. And the best part is, you don't even have to be the creator of the intellectual property to earn these royalties. You can purchase the rights to royalties from someone else and receive regular payments that will return your initial investment in no time. How? Websites like the Royalty Exchange and Songvest hold auctions for these rights, making it easy for you to get in on the action. So why not invest in your future and grab a piece of the royalty pie? 4. Dividends. Are you looking for a smart investment that can provide you with a steady stream of income? Look no further than dividend securities. By investing in stocks that offer dividends, you can receive regular payouts that can add up to a significant sum over time. The key is to focus on well-established companies that have a proven track record of paying dividends for at least a decade. With a quick online search, you can easily find these types of stocks and start reaping the benefits of consistent dividends. Start an online business. Do you feel more comfortable doing business online? Here are 4 ways to make passive income on the internet. 1. Start a blog or website you can monetize. Want to turn your passion into a profitable venture? Building a website or blog is the perfect place to start. By creating a solid foundation for your online presence, you can attract a steady stream of visitors to your site and convert that traffic into revenue sources. But before you can start earning, you need to get people to your site in the first place. The key? Share your knowledge and expertise on your website or blog. If you can provide interesting, informative, and well-written content, you'll likely see consistent traffic growth over time. And if you're really savvy, you can even charge a small fee for access to your expert information. If you have a wealth of knowledge to share and can keep the content fresh and relevant, your audience will be more than willing to pay for access to your site. So why wait? Start building your website or blog today and turn your passion into profit. 2. Affiliate marketing. Are you ready to turn your website into a cash cow? By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can earn money simply by promoting products from online retailers. By adding links to your website that lead visitors to products sold by retailers, you'll earn a commission every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. With so many retailers offering affiliate programs, it's easy to find the ones that offer the best commissions. So why not give it a try and start earning extra money today? 3. Ebooks. Are you an expert in a certain field? Why not turn your knowledge into a profitable venture by creating and selling ebooks? These electronic files can be easily downloaded and read on a computer, just like traditional paper-bound books. Not only can you offer your ebook for sale on your own website, But you can also set up an affiliate program and allow others to sell your ebook on their websites, earning a commission for each sale. It's a win-win situation for both you and your affiliates. 4. Sell advertising. Why not consider selling advertising space to retailers looking to promote their products to your audience? Whether you have a popular blog, e-zine, or e-newsletter, you can easily monetize your content by offering up space for advertisers to showcase their products, movies, music, and more. Not sure how to get started? Consider using popular advertising platforms like Google AdSense or Linkshare to help you gain revenue from ads on your website. With these platforms, you can easily earn a commission every time a visitor clicks on an advertisement and visits the advertiser's website. So why not give it a try and start earning money from your website today? Scale up. If you already managed to build a passive income stream, it might be time to take it to the next level. How? Here are 4 simple ways. 1. Focus on one stream at a time. Start by honing in on your main source of passive income. Without a solid foundation, it's hard to expand and diversify your income streams. Give your full attention and energy to that one project and make sure it reaches its full potential. Then, with the profits and knowledge gained, you can branch out and explore other opportunities. And don't forget, once you've successfully built a reliable passive income stream, you can share your expertise and earn even more by teaching others how you did it. 2. Reinvest. Imagine a world where your money works for you, constantly growing and multiplying with little to no effort on your part. That's the power of reinvesting your passive income. As you start earning a steady stream of passive income, take that money and put it back into the source that generated it. This could be investing in more advertising for your website or using dividends to purchase new shares of stock. By doing this, you're kickstarting a cycle of ever-increasing income streams that require minimal effort on your part. Plus, some brokers even offer automatic reinvestment options, making the process even more seamless. Start building your financial future today by reinvesting your passive income. 3. Recycle your products. We're not talking about saving the planet, but about reinventing what already works for you. If you are a content creator who has a wealth of successful blogs and articles, why not take that knowledge and turn it into a new revenue stream by repurposing it into an ebook or online course? Imagine being able to sell your expertise on platforms like Amazon or Udemy without having to start from scratch. By reworking the content you already have, you can find new ways to make extra money. 4. Build a team. Ready to kick back and let your money work for you? Why not consider hiring a pro to handle your existing income streams? Whether you've got a few steady passive income streams or you're looking to expand your portfolio, this is the ultimate way to achieve true financial freedom. With someone else at the helm, you can sit back, relax, and watch the cash roll in, all without lifting a finger. From having a broker manage your dividend stocks, hiring a landlord to oversee your rental properties, to hiring other bloggers to write content for your website, the possibilities are endless. Just make sure your income from these streams exceeds the cost of hiring someone to manage them. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our ultimate guide to building several passive income streams. We hope this video has provided you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to start creating multiple streams of income that work for you, instead of the other way around. Remember, building passive income streams takes time, effort, and dedication, but it's a worthwhile investment in your financial future. With the right mindset and strategies, you can generate an income that grows on autopilot, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms. So don't forget to take action and start implementing the tips and tricks we've shared in this video. And if you found it helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.